I want to show you how to add and use a Chromebook extension called Read and Write. It allows special features to help making reading and writing easier while you work from home. The first thing you want to do is open up a blank Google search page and type in Read and Write for Google. Once you hit the search button, you will have the first results be Read and Write for Google Chrome. You want to click on that page. It will then take you to the Chromebook web store and specifically show you that extension. Make sure you see the purple puzzle piece icon with the R and W on it. Once you see that, it is okay to click on Add to Chrome. You will want to hit Add Extension to allow it to be downloaded. Once it finishes downloading, a box should pop up telling you can access Read and Write by clicking this little purple icon on the top right corner of your web browser. You are then all set to begin using the Read and Write extension. What Read and Write lets you do is to read aloud. What you want to do to activate the tool is simply click on the purple icon and this toolbar will appear. If you want to start reading to you, you can highlight whatever part of the text you want read aloud and hit the play button.
Arts. J.K. Rowling brings magic to quarantine with launch of Harry Potter Hub.
As you can see, it starts reading aloud automatically. To stop reading, you have two options. You can either hit the pause icon or the stop icon. I would suggest hitting the pause icon because it leaves off where you stopped it and you can always start back up by hitting the play button again. However, if you hit the stop button, you will lose your spot and you will have to either scroll through the text or have to highlight back to the beginning and start over reading. This also allows you to look up words, whether you want a definition in English or a translation. For example, if you are reading through the text and you find something that you're not quite sure what it means, you would simply just highlight that word and then you can either hit the dictionary icon, which is this open book, which will give you various definitions of the word you selected, or you can hit after you highlight the word, you can hit the icon that looks like a globe with a magnifying glass, and it will open up a new tab to do a web search on that word or phrase. So as you can see, I highlighted and a bunch of results appeared. If you go back to the text, you are also able to, after highlighting the word, translate it by clicking the two arrows that crisscross. Once again, a little box will appear and you will also see play icons, which will allow you to have that word read aloud to you in various languages.
Relief. Alivio.
Once again, you can just X out the box when you're done with using that feature. Read and Write also allows you to write without actually using the keyboard. All you'd have to do is open up a new tab for a document you'd like to type. Once again, you'd have to make sure to activate Read Write by clicking on the toolbar. This time, what you want to do, if you want it to type for you, is click on the icon that looks like a headphone with a microphone. This is called Talk and Type. Once you click on that, a red microphone will appear, which will automatically start typing for you, as you can see on my screen. To end the typing, simply click the red microphone and it will stop. Once the microphone is deactivated, it will become gray. These are the features that you can use for Read and Write. I hope they are of use to you while you work from home. Thanks.